Welcome back to Getting It Done North of 7. In my last video, I talked about the best UTV plows, and I said I didn't know which was the best UTV plow because I've never tried them all. All I've tried is the Click and Go 2 system and the KFI Plow system. Only tried it once on light snow, but I can tell it's a really good plow. In the last video, I told you I was going to show you how I connect the KFI Plow to the CFMOTO ZForce and the Kimpex Click and Go 2 system plow to my old Suzuki Eiger ATV. Both are really simple to connect to each machine, and I'm going to show you right now. So over here we have the Click and Go 2 plow blade. It's just sitting here waiting to be attached to the Suzuki Eiger. And then over here we have the KFI plow, and that's going to be hooked up to the CFMOTO ZForce. So first we're going to get started hooking up the Suzuki Eiger to the Click and Go plow system. So first we're going to turn our power on to the ATV, and we're going to let out some of the winch rope. Now the first thing I like to do is, you got a hook here, and there's a hook here. Well, it's not a hook, it's just a ring. This is where you want to have your cable hooked up for plowing, but this is just to connect it to the machine itself. So right away the mount is about 1/3 back there on the frame of the ATV, and we're just going to get it lined up just like that. And now we're going to draw in our winch cable and lift it up just a bit more. We're going to have a look. I think we're pretty close. We're really close. We're just going to step on this pedal here, and we're going to draw in our winch just a touch more. One side's done. The other side is done as well. Now we're going to drop our winch cable. We're going to detach it, and I didn't let out enough. There we go. And we're going to hook it up right here on this ring here. Then we just draw in our cable. So basically that's it. When they say Click and Go 2, they mean it. That's how quick it is to hook up the Kimpex Click and Go 2 plow system to your ATV or a side-by-side. It's that simple. Now we're going to do the CFMOTO ZForce to the KFI plow. Now this one's just a little bit different. It's not click and go, but it's not hard at all. So here you have your mount, and you can hook up the ends of your push tube right here or here. You can pick a hole, whatever one you want. So you're going to have a pin and one of these on the other side of the pin, right? So you just got to make sure it's lined up. So we're a little bit off. And like, I mean, it doesn't take that long. There you go. Now I'm going to put this in here like this. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a washer to fit here. Just, I don't know. It just feels like I've seen models with the washer on the pin here. It probably doesn't make a difference, but I think I'm going to do it anyway. Then I'll come around and I'll put this side on too. So you just got to make sure it's lined up. Just like that. Put this pin in here. Then you're all hooked up. Now all we got to do is hook up our winch cable to one of these 3 holes here. Obviously you're going to put it in the middle, and I'll show you how it works. So we have our remote here. All we got to do is hit out. And there we are. Draw the winch cable back in. There you go. Now I'll bring you in and show you the remote for the winch. So here we have our remote for the winch. You can have it out, in, and it just plugs into the socket here that's made for it. And this you can just attach to your gear shift if you want. It all depends on how you want to do it. It's your own choice. I was thinking of zip tying it like this, right beside it. I don't know, we'll see. I haven't tried anything yet. So basically it's that easy to attach each blade to these machines. The time it takes to attach one of these blades to one of these machines, it takes me that long just to find a shovel. And another tip for when you use a snow plow and you're in wet snow, spray some PAM on your blade like hours before and let it dry on there. You spray PAM on those and then the snow gets up on your blade and it just slides off really nice. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next video.